Guys, we are here now. Welcome to Jamaica, Shawnee. This is another Jamaican shop. Nah. So this is a Caribbean shop where we're at now. So they party them there, people. Fried dumpling, fritters, and festival. This is the biggest festival that you're ever gonna see. Fish, chicken, peanut drop. A market me there, people.
Market time.
Market. I'm gonna put the breadfruit in a bag too.
Tired of the wasting. She just want my love. Say she tired of the waiting. Sing over and over and out. Girl, you need a soldier to show you the route. Pull you in close, areola to mount. My love, no corona, Ebola could out. Whenever you're alone and you're unoccupied, and you're feeling hot inside, hit me up on my line. One time.
Hello guys, and welcome to another video. It's Life with SK and Sean. Right, Sean?
I hear you.
Guys, hi. So today we are gonna take you guys to Harlesden. If y'all watched my previous vlogs, many vlogs ago, we went to Jamaica. I'm actually gonna take Sean there. Let's get in the car. So I'm actually, oh, this is much better. We should start the vlog in here. I'm actually going to take Sean there just so he can see that part of England, with the Jamaican community and stuff like that, because he's never really been to those places. And we're also gonna try and get some sort of Jamaican food. Well, I'm actually you're gonna try the patty by that one stop patty place, Jamaican restaurant place. And I know I want to see Sean's reaction when he tastes it, because Sean there's this patty shop in Miami. It's to die for. What's it called? Oh, I love it. Don't remember. He probably don't remember the name, but
Yeah, of course I remember. It's called Taste Right.
Taste Right.
R-I-T-E.
It's so good, y'all. I even asked Sean to bring some for me, and he was coming. He didn't bring none. And he deliberately didn't bring any because he's like, I'm not traveling with food. When you travel with food, that's when you get checked. They pull you for a random check. And mind you, let me tell y'all something. When I traveled to Miami like 2 years ago, I actually brought some food from England. I brought chicken and chips from my local chip shop, with the salt and vinegar, so Sean could experience salt and vinegar chips, because he never had it before. You didn't have it before, did you? Was that 2 years ago? That was 3 years ago. Yeah, that was 3 years ago. Yeah, sometimes nothing is wrong with traveling with food. People go to Jamaica all the time or back home and they come back with their favorite stuff, even though it's just gonna last like one more week, but it's just to have that, that week off.
Tell them last year if I did bring a patty or not.
Did you bring patty last year?
I think I did. I brought patty 1 year.
I don't know if you brought patty, but you brought a lot of stuff.
But I brought patty 1 year.
Yeah, but remember, I haven't been to Miami since 2019.
I know, but
you just show off with this patty.
I don't even eat it. I haven't had it in a long time.
When you do get it, I'm like, oh, I wish I could get some.
It's just patty.
No, it's not just patty. When you live in England, especially where I live and I can't get it, it's not just patty.
Here's the issue with TSA now. There's no problem with food, but every time my bag go through the belt, them take it up because they want to know what's that nice stuff in there. You understand? And
that's why. Maybe them smell it.
They always dig me down with food, especially when they have good food. And be like, oh, okay, I see. But it's annoying, them taking your bag off of the belt and going through it to look at the food. That's one of the reasons. Another reason is I don't think it's that.
They went through my bag in New York with the food and see the chicken and chips, and they like, cause I was going to Miami, but I was going through New York, so they pulled that and they were like, oh, where is this from? Like they thought I bought it from somewhere in New York. I was like, I actually bought it from England. They were like, England? Like they were really surprised that you bought chicken and chips from England. And mind you, it was like a 7-hour flight to New York, yeah? And to travel there, and my flight journey wasn't done. I had 3 more hours to get to Miami. They were like, wow, this food traveling. Like, all right, okay. But it was for Sean to, experience the chicken and chips, and he loved it. We should get some salt and vinegar chips today.
I'm not going to Harlesden where Jamaicans are to have chicken and chips.
No, we're not gonna buy chicken and chips. I'm just saying that we can if you want to buy the chips. But they have cocoa bread, they have curry goat, all the Jamaican stuff like you would buy from Dutch pot. So you guys, anyway, guys, stay tuned.
Listen, I'll be the judge. I'll be the judge, okay?
Yeah, so stay tuned and we will see you guys in Harlesden. We might even go to Brixton, because I think they say Brixton is even more Jamaican than Harlesden. So if we have the time, it's like 4 p.m. now though, and it's like a 40-minute drive to get to Harlesden. So if we do have the time, we're gonna take you guys to Brixton too. And it's time for me to top up on my Jamaican stuff too, aside from bringing Sean to experience it, because I need some products and whatever. So check y'all in Harlesden, guys. We reach and Sean yawning.
Always yawning.
Okay, see guys, we are here now. Welcome to Jamaica, Shawnee. So our first stop is right here. One stop is literally right on this corner. We're gonna get that nice patty. Eat up that nice. I hope it's still open. Yeah, this is them.
Right in.
We're jumping right in before we go, because we gotta go in the other shops. And it's right here. Look, one stop. Yes, guys. So we are now back in Harlesden. In there is a bit full, so we're gonna put our mask on. So they patty them there, people. Fried dumpling, fritters, and festival. This is the biggest festival that you're ever gonna see. And they have fish, chicken, peanut drop. Yeah. So Sean just had a bite of what festival?
This is the party. Interesting part. It's a neat party. It looks weird, but yeah. It's
smaller than what you think, what you normally get, man.
It's small and it's not flaky at all. We used to party being flaky.
Yeah. Oh, it's not runny. Scale of 1 to 10. 10 being the highest.
7.
Okay. You eat the next one.
It reminds me of more of an empanada though.
A what?
Than a patty.
What's an empanada?
It's a Spanish thing.
I never had an empanada. This is mine. Oh yeah, hold on.
This is half of the festival. Half. Yeah, sounds like a loaf of bread.
It's big for Trinidad. That festival don't normally be big like that.
Too big.
For those of you guys that don't know what festival is, it's something like fry cake, you know?
It's fried dumpling.
But it's made with, you have little spices in there. You have to put sugar and corn meat. You could put like other spices like cinnamon, stuff like that. Whereas a normal fried dumpling or whatever is just flour and water or whatever. This one is on the sweet side, but it's nice. But it's big. Usually they're kind of skinny and long, and you know, we normally eat it with fried fish. Yeah, this is my patty and my cocoa bread. And obviously, yeah, the festival is there. And Sean's. This is, oh, you can see inside of the patty how it looks. Usually though, they're normally running out. The beef dropping out and everything. The cocoa bread big though. Right?
Give the cocoa bread
a 9?
8.
Alright, people.
All in all, I will buy them. I would buy them again. You know, they're not bad. I would buy them again.
And you can get used to it.
You can get used to it, yeah.
I'm gonna go finish this. This is a lot. And then we're gonna go and do a little bit of shopping. Not much, just a few things. I know I want a coconut water for sure. I had some coconut jelly in a long time because I need that. I'm gonna buy a bread, a hard dough bread, and just a few other things, seasonings and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'll take you guys with me. So let me just finish eating.
Alright, so we just done eat the patties, right? Because Shana clean. Because she clean.
No patty on me.
No patty crumbs, no crust, right? When you eat real patty, you're supposed to full of crust. You know, like,
are you supposed to have wholly plate back down in the bag and you do so and shake it down in your mouth?
Yeah. It's supposed to full of crust. Your car is supposed to dirty, yeah? So you don't eat patty when you just wash car. Yeah, in your car. Yeah, it's a great empanada.
It's not an empanada, baby, it's a patty.
I'm gonna upgrade the rate. I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna downgrade the bread. The bread is gonna be a 7.
Okay, we have avocado 5 for £1, but them small. Plantain them green though. No, there's okra. You want fish?
No.
Seafood. Vanessa, look at your crab legs, girl. This is another Jamaican shop. Nah. So this is a Caribbean shop where we're at now. Island Sun or something like that. These plants pretty, eh? Should we get 3? Let's do that. Let's get 3 plantains and let's get, see the basket them here?
Mango any good. 7 pounds. Dominican mango. 7 pounds.
For kg?
For them little.
I think they are nice.
That's an insult, trust me.
For the mango.
Insult of my intelligence. Not that full.
That's 3 for £1.20. Let's get 3 plantains. Should we get half a coconut?
Sure.
Breadfruit.
Breadfruit.
I don't know how to do it now. This one? You get this one, I guess.
Which one look cute to you?
I don't know.
That one look cute? Alright, buy the cute ones. That's how you choose. Buy the cute
banana.
ones.
So we could do some saltfish and butter beans.
Yeah, that's fine.
Banana.
Yeah.
Which one? About 3 big ones?
2 big. Nice. Perfect.
5?
Yeah.
Alright. So we get that.
Sweet potato, I gotta have this.
Is this a real sweet potato?
Oh yeah. This is the real one. This is the white one.
Is it?
Oh, you can tell from the skin. Probably outside, yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Shall we get 2? I wonder how $4.99 a kg.
Yeah, 1 kilo, yeah.
It's Jamaican sweet potato, look.
Oh yeah, so no, real sweet potato.
This is a real sweet
Real
potato.
stuff, real stuff.
So should I buy some small ones or this big one?
That one is good, bust that in half.
But I want more.
You want more?
Can I get 1 little piece?
Little one's not gonna be great, you know.
No?
Don't go too small.
Maybe this one?
Sure.
Yeah, expensive now. We end up spending £100, you know.
100 pounds?
They have bags if you bag them up. Should I put them in bags? I don't even know how to open these bags. I'm terrible. I always struggle.
The other side.
I think
The other
it's here.
side.
No, it's here.
Is
Look.
there?
Is here?
Okay.
A market me then, people.
Market time.
Market. Come on, I'm gonna put the breadfruit in a bag too.
All the real Jamaicans, you guys know what this is?
Isn't that chocho?
Huh?
Chocho?
So I was asking the people.
Oh.
Okay guys, disregard what you just said. What is this?
I don't think I like chocho. You?
No, I'm not a fan. They put it in soup, but
Yeah.
I'm not a fan.
Yeah, it's not my thing. Cocoa yam. Oh yes, yam.
Yeah,
I'm not into yam. You want yam?
dasheen and cocoa.
Oh, dashing. You know how long I see dashing?
Yeah,
And yam and them something like cassava.
yeah.
Oh guys, this is cassava. What they make bami with. Yeah, and this is Brazilian sweet potato. I've never had that. I don't know how that tastes.
Like sweet potato.
Brazilian sweet potato. Alright. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. You tell us scoop out the inside.
You're a mass with?
Nobody on the S-way.
Nobody.
No. Oh. People. Kiss cake.
Orange though. Nobody eat orange one, but still buy it.
I've never had
much
a
rate?
kiss cake. I don't know. That's the thing. I don't put the price on all the things in here, so you're surprised when you reach up by the cash.
Yeah. So,
You know how much is this?
2 for 150. 79 each.
2 for 150.
nice.
Okay.
Nice.
So you only have the orange flavor?
Only one flavor.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
I got the other one in the strawberry flavor if you want that. Which one that?
I
This
just
one.
strawberry.
20.
Oh,
Twinkie.
no,
Oh.
no, Twinkie, no.
No, 20.
No Twinkie. Okay. I haven't had this since I was a child
Yes.
in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I've been here a few times and I've never found this in here. Never seen this. Like it.
Ginger.
Ginger drink. When's the last time you had Fosca oats?
About 2 weeks ago.
Oh. Sean, let me not ask you anything else because you love to show off. I thought you were going to tell me since Jamaica days because I haven't had it since being in Jamaica.
I have that size in my cupboard right now.
Right.
Yeah.
Thanks. Callaloo. You want a callaloo?
I had that about 2 weeks ago too. Green jackfruit. That's something we never see before.
I don't want it neither. It's not my thing.
Yeah.
Nope, nope, nope. Look there.
Let me see how much them callaloo, yeah. Okay, that's a fair price, I guess.
$1.79.
Yeah, that's a fair price.
And they have all of the teas here. This is where I got my lemongrass from. Honey and
Sorry.
ginger. I think I have that.
Pick up a bag of this, I love them money. Cream crackers, national cream crackers. Very, very, very nice.
Look up, so.
It's a bag.
$3.49. $6.99 for the big one. What's I needed a lemon pepper into, babe? So I have my pimento. This is Maggie season everybody always get, ain't it? Season up. What, 49p?
Country garden. On a joke with me too long now. Country garden, find one to me. On a base.
I think this is more like the African side. They have fufu and those things.
Shanna, your favorite thing. Nido.
Love my Nido. This is the best milk.
She love it even more than me.
Nido is powder milk. If you don't know, it's powder milk.
Powdered milk.
But it's like the best. It's whole milk as well.
Really?
Yeah.
So I should travel with Grace to make a ketchup seat, right? That's about when I buy it.
I am buying it. Oh my gosh. I am getting one.
Shouldn't show you.
Let me tell you something. Normally a big bottle of ketchup I buy for like 50p from Asda. This little ketchup is £2, $1.99. Very expensive, but this is the best ketchup in the whole world. I hope it ain't watered down, you know.
Which one do you buy?
This big nut up there.
No, a little big and tough. Did you usually get giant bread?
I got it from here, yeah.
What's the date on it? Oh, cornbread.
Oh, is it?
Cornbread.
Because I was looking, was thinking if that was it.
Yeah, we used to eat them with cheese.
Ah.
Cornbread and cheese.
I know I used to eat them when I was younger.
Yeah. Cocoa bread.
The cocoa bread them here.
Is that big? Is that big? Look at this.
Big. This is what I just had the patty in.
Big like my foot. This is what you want, right?
Coconut dry. Basically for the 16th of November. This looks like it's good too.
Alright.
How much for one? I don't know. You want one? I'll just get one.
Just one.
They have rock cake too.
Yeah, I'm good on that. Yeah, you can get one of those. Why you even let me bother carry all these things if you're gonna find them here anyway?
Babe, am I gonna drive to Harlesden every time I want to get something? Come on.
What I
now.
love here, get one of these.
What?
Cheesies.
Cheese.
Cheesies.
Alright, Sean, calm down. Oh, you know how long I had these? Coconut turnovers.
Chippies banana chips.
Just 79p.
A lot of people prefer the St. Mary banana chips, but I love chippies. Yeah.
Alright.
Police button.
Yeah. Alright, babe. Yeah.
Oh, got it.
The coconut's normally here, but oh, I think we can get it coming on the other side. For the cab though.
Shana can't dance without her hand, you know. Hannah feel nice, you know.
They have DNG.
Shandy. Alright, cash out time. Cash out time.
They got the pig peel and them something.
Where is the cashier?
You say lot.
I was going this, I want an avocado. Let's go around here. Oh, how am I gonna get the avocado?
Make from here the small one if you want.
Where?
Go from here.
Around here? Oh shoot.
Yo, the other one, put this rice in a box for me.
You sure you
Hey,
want
Mose, come on.
Come on.
You tell me from over there, put the rice in a box for me and you want, yeah. I know you want, yeah.
You come
You
late.
tell me box
yeah.
for shit.
Very good.
Done.
The coconut is here. I'm gonna get one.
Okay, Shana gonna get a coconut. No, no coconut for me, I'm good.
Oh,
Oh, June plum.
fine June plum.
Nice.
I can't even get to pick out good ones. Such a rush because they're closing. I've never seen June plum here though. Last time I had June plum was when you brought it last time.
Yeah, a year ago. Yeah.
And the time before that, it was years. Yeah. I didn't choose the best ones though, you know. Look there. Not my jam. Always such a joy when I come here to get my Jamaican stuff.
Ready?
Oh,
Alright.
there's two.
Oh.
I didn't know there was two. Basket. You put it there. Maybe this one. Look how different out here. Look this shop. Everything done back inside.
Sweet
So,
John
I go on
Rock.
that side, and the man was like telling Melissa the last time, is she filming this not? I said, but you can't film, I can't film outside. I'm not in
What,
the shop.
inside the shop?
Yeah, I was standing up outside.
Or them insecure?
No, I'm lying. It's not that one.
Oh.
It's one that's selling roti. I think it was further down.
Oh, they didn't want you to film?
Didn't want, but I wasn't even inside.
Vibes bar?
Yeah.
No vibes, not there though.
I wasn't even inside, and I'm like, I don't even want this stinking roti. That's that, and now we're gonna see if we can go to Brixton, no?
Brixton.
Sure, but like, see if we can walk down, no? But time's gonna run out now, ain't it?
Yeah.
Jerk chicken and them something there. You could have get some Brixton, we could have had people out with the grill and stuff. I would have eat that tonight to be fair, you know? Oh, baby. Show me the back, Sean. We got our Jamaican goodies, y'all. And now we're out. Know that we got our Jamaican goodies. See, I saw the June plum. That's so nice. I'm gonna eat that as soon as. But it might need to be ripe some more, no? Anyway, no? Anyways, guys, that's it for this Harlesden vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I think now we're probably gonna go to Brixton, but we'll see, because I've never been there before, and it would be nice to see. Maybe we could get some nice jerk chicken. So if we go to Brixton, we'll take you guys, but if not, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. All right, people, later. You have the key, babe.